Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming the basics and opening the specific chat where you want a new theme. First, update Messenger and Sign in so AI features are available. This avoids missing options. Once done, navigate to settings, right arrow AI or chat themes, and enable the AI assistant if it's off. Make sure you select the friend or group thread before continuing, because theme changes apply per conversation. This short prep saves repeated steps and ensures the AI can apply personalized suggestions immediately. Next, prompt the AI to generate theme options by describing mood, colors, or motifs. Say, create 5 cozy blue themes with warm accents. The AI will return previews you can swipe through. Review 3-5 to compare contrast and readability. Once you pick a preview, use the editor to tweak hues, background images, gradient angles, and emoji accents. You do this because small contrast or icon changes affect legibility and how the chat feels. When satisfied, tap Apply to stage the theme for the thread. Finally, apply the theme and verify it appears in the conversation header and message bubbles. Send a short test message to check text contrast, timestamp visibility, and emoji rendering. You want clear readability across dark and light modes. If the theme fails to apply or looks broken, restart the app, clear cache, or ask the AI to regenerate with simpler elements. Make sure to report persistent bugs to Messenger support and note device model and app version for faster troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.